I got a lot of gear. I got my backpack today, and I got me a little side satchel here. We're gonna head down there, and I'm going to the lean-to. We're gonna start it, but this may have to be a two-part video. I got my new little skillet with a bell on it that I made. I got all kind of cool stuff. It's New Year's Day. I'm gonna make me some, I'm gonna call it Bushcraft Campfire Sushi, creek camper style. It's gonna be good. I don't have any vegetables to put in them. I got spam, and I think I got tuna, and rice, and I pre-cooked the rice and got a little thing because I didn't want to have to wait. It's got to boil like 10 minutes. I could have probably did it down here. Anyway, let's get up to the lean-to. We're gonna start a fire. We use our flint and steel, my new knife, and I got a little ferro rod on here. I also got my Essie, but we'll do that, and we're just gonna have fun. And it may be two parts because we're just gonna take our time and have a lot of fun, build a fire, make sushi. I got some soy sauce to dip it in. Got jalapenos and peppers that I'm gonna put in there for my vegetables instead of cucumbers and stuff. It's gonna be great. But anyway, y'all come on, let's go have some fun. Got a lot of stuff. I got all my food. Here's my backpack. I got some willow down here to start a fire with. We ain't gonna do that today though. I already got some cedar, so I may not have to go round none up. I got chunks of wood that my buddy Keith gave me. Here's a here's that big piece of wood that John, Keith's son, made. We may use it today to cut that sushi and do that cooking on. I got a lot of stuff to do. But anyway, let's see. I was gonna go round up some cedar bark, but I don't think we're gonna have to. Let's see. First thing we're gonna do is get us a fire started. Man, I got so much stuff. There's my skillet. Got me a little axe. I love this axe. Let's see, I think I got some wood. Got my gloves. Let me get my gloves. They get me a little bit of kindling too. See if we can get this going. Put some of these shavings in there. I'm always in too big a hurry. Just like when I was trying to blow a fire started the other day, I was blowing it like I was trying to put it out instead of trying to start it. But when you're filming, you never want your cameras getting hot. There's so many things going on, and you always get in a hurry. So Essie makes some good shavings. This ain't real rich pine. Get me a couple of feather sticks set over here. Let's see. I got a, let me see. My buddy Johnny got one of these for Christmas. It's the little, this little grate. These things are cool. Let me get me a good piece of the fat wood here. Need a good piece of the fat wood. Let's see. There's some. Oh yeah. See all that in there? Dump that down there. It's got a little ferrule rod on it, but I'm gonna use the one on my knife just because I think it's cool. Just that little knife that I made, the little neck knife. I'm really getting attached to this thing. All right, here we go. It's almost. Okay. We'll have to get us some dust. Use the back side of the knife. Get it up here. This stuff's a little moister than I thought it was. There it went. Finally. See if we can get this going. Okay. Let me move my back over here. Uh-oh. My stick broke. There we go. Got good fire though. Okay. Woo. All right. I think I'm gonna have to put this board out here. John made this and it works good. Perfect. Got my skillet. Got my Spam. Got me some onions and peppers. Brought me a Coke because I knew that it's gonna be hot. Brought me some rice. And I got stuff to wrap them with, and I got chopsticks. I got some tuna, wasabi, and I got me this to wrap, to help wrap my rice and all in. So first thing we're gonna do is make cooked Spam, and I think I'll use my cowboy skillet. I'm afraid it'll stick in that one, so. Maybe that fire die down in a minute to get some coal. That's what I'm hoping. Got my cook kit. I think that's all I needed. This is pretty cool. I was going to use this today, but I really need to season it, but I might season it today. So here's my Spam. This is hot and spicy. I can't find that with the jalapenos in it that Cheesehead Kristen has been using. I ain't been able to find it. Punch me some holes in the bottom the way they always do. Look at there. Hey, like a champ. Well, I don't think this knife's gonna be long enough. Let me see if I can find my opener. That is hot. My cutting board. I think I see my opener down in the bottom. No, I think I'm gonna use my fillet knife. It's long. I can cut that Spam better with it. That is hot. Got my Wazoo bandana and my regular bandana here. All right. Now then. How am I gonna cut this? I think I'll cut it long ways. Just like this. I'll cook it all. We may not make sushi with all of it. We have to do 3 at a time. Get my oil. I think I brought some oil. Soy sauce. I brought a big thing of oil today because I didn't know how much cooking we'd be doing. Woo. Oh yeah, I like it to get a little bark on it. We might turn this over and use it for a plate. Well, no, but we can use this. Put some paper towels in there. Ooh, that's hot. We'll set it right there. Put these 3 in there real quick. All right. I want the fire to die down, but I don't want it to go out because, you know, when you got a lean-to or something, the smoke's always going to come to the, you know, to the wall. It's going to be good. You can't beat spam. A lot of people knock on it, but it's good stuff. Cut us up another one. Whew. Ooh, gotta be careful. I'm gonna cut my finger like I did last time. Man, this is gonna be delicious. That smoke gets in my eyes and makes me not be able to see to cut my. I'm afraid I'm gonna hit my finger. All right, I think we're getting there. Okay, let's take this out and set it right here. I got Spam and I got okay, here we tuna. Go. Let me move over here. All right. Now, I've never done this before, so I got this for the sushi. I meant for the to dip with. Man, I hate that y'all can't see because of this smoke. Maybe that'll help some. All right, let's see what we can do. The smoke's a tad bit better than it was a while ago. So, you get these things right here, and I think you're supposed to heat these. But I'm gonna try just to do it like this. Uh-oh. That's got a little crack in it. Maybe it won't hurt nothing. Okay, then you take this sushi, my dirty hands. All right, let's go this way because I got to roll it with this. Here comes the smoke. You put this rice on there. And you mash it. The adventure food guy, he probably showed me how to do this better. Woo! Okay. Now, I gotta cut me a couple of strips of this. Couple of strips of this to put on there. Oh man, that's gonna be good. Let's see, I think you just put it in there like this. I should have went back and watched the video, but I didn't. And then you can do the everything, but then you can put some of these on there. And some of these. You're supposed to put like cucumbers and stuff, but I'm doing it like this because that's the way I want to do it. Put a little color. Okay. I think I got it backwards. I think you're supposed to start rolling it like this. And you use this to do it. It split a little bit, didn't it? Yeah, it split. It split, but anyway. See how this is going to work. Some of the rice is coming out. Now, I may have to put something on it because it doesn't seem to be splitting. Okay, let's just see though. If you get it wrapped like that, okay, the sushi split right there. I'm gonna go over here. The next one I'm gonna wet some and see if that helps it. Because these are too dry, I think. Soy sauce. May put soy sauce on that wrap next time. Uh-oh. Okay, let me give thanks. Okay. I got me some chopsticks. These, I think I had another pair that I had opened the other night. Yep. Yeah, it's not look at that. The jalapenos are good in there, but the wrap's not sticking, so I gotta figure out what to do. That's good though. Oh, it come apart in there. Man, I could eat this all day. It didn't cut all the way. Okay, we're gonna do another one, and I'm gonna wet the seaweed. It says you could put it over the heat. I just don't think that'd work too good, putting it over heat. It's already dry. Bushcraft sushi. Alright, man, I ain't sure what to do. Let's see. I could put soy on it, but I don't think I want to do that. Put some water. I think I got water in this. Yeah. Cold water, probably better if it was hot water, but smoke coming back Okay, I know all y'all gonna comment, tell me what I'm doing wrong. Oh, it tore it. I think the, okay, here we go. Two more pieces of Spam, jalapenos, and different color peppers. Give a little color so Ruben will appreciate me. And then I'm gonna start rolling it. It's curling up on the back there because it's damp. I know they use bamboo. I seen them using bamboo to roll it. Phew, smoke. Sorry about the smoke, guys. I know y'all probably can't see me. It just ain't doing right, so I'm gonna have to read some more, practice, but yeah, it's just busting open. That first one did better without it being wet, and the rice is pooping out too. We're gonna keep trying it though. See what I got here. Some of them sticking okay, like this one. Look at that. They don't look too bad. Till I dropped it. But the taste is good. Of course, I like soy sauce, so look at that. Okay. Somebody comment and tell me what to do about it breaking apart. It may be the rice. Look at that big old piece. Woo! Fish to put the fire out. Let's get another piece. Let's try another dry piece. It's got a little hole in it, but we'll try it anyway. Let's see. And the things are running this way, so we'll try it. All right. Tuna. Let's put some tuna on one. Mash it. Put a little bit of water on that. Okay. Now I'm learning. I watch the videos, but I ain't no pro. All right, let's put some color on there. I like that spunk that's on it. Oh, I forgot I got wasabi. Oh yeah, let's put some tuna on this one. A little bit of tuna. Boy, I can smell that tuna. And okay, sometimes you get this stuff, it's real hot. Sometimes it ain't so hot. So I tell you what we're gonna do. I'm gonna wait and we'll squirt a little bit on there. I don't want to put it on the. All right. Wasabi. Ooh, I could taste it. It's hot. Okay, here we go. I ain't forgetting nothing, Emma. I don't think so. I think this may be better than the last one. Oh, I pulled it like that and broke it. Shoot. Okay, here we go. It may be the rice. I may have to wrap it like a taco. I seen them do that too. So it's not been a complete fail, but it hadn't been the way I wanted it either. The tuna's not bad, but I like the Spam better. Put a little bit of this on the, like you do at the restaurant. A little bit on here. Uh-oh. I always smear it on the tuna, on the top of it, like that. Uh-oh. Open up my nostril. Good wasabi. Good wasabi. Let's put some of that on this spam right here. Onions and peppers. I put the fire out, it was smoking too much. Anyway, it's just something I wanted to try. And I guess it would be a fail. I got to learn how to wrap the seaweed. So, yeah, everybody comment and tell me what to do. Because I had never even made this at home, much less in the woods. But it's pretty good. I'm gonna try one more, see what happens. Yep, let's get us another piece of spam. All right, spam, some color. Good stuff. If y'all hadn't ever had any wasabi, y'all know how I like hot stuff. Well, that stuff there is rough on me, but I love it. Man, that's delicious. That wasabi's good. Put a little bit, you get a little bit of it and just put it right on top. And I think that other stuff's called ginger or something. This red stuff, it's usually on there too. Mmm. Good. Mmm. Sushi at my lean-to. This last bunch ended up pretty good. Mmm. Thanks for being down here today. I got plenty to eat, and I'm just enjoying the afternoon, and I'll probably go back up the house later today and watch a ball game or something. But I just wanted to get out and you know, just enjoy the day. And I've been wanting to try this sushi. I've been seeing people do it, and the Spam. I love this Spam. It's good stuff. So I could have just cut ham and onions and peppers the way I always do, but I want to try this sushi, and I'm glad I did. You have to bring a lot of extra stuff, but y'all comment and tell me how I can get that seaweed, this stuff here. I read different things, and they said in the woods you can use a Glad bag to wrap it instead of the bamboo stuff. But again, I've never made it at home, so if y'all got a comment that something will work better, put it in there. But anyway, I think I told y'all a while ago, but thanks for watching, and keep God first. It's important for me to tell y'all that. Pre-camper out.